From the providers, VIVOHOME is a 2-pack linkable garage, solar, shed, outdoor LED lights with PIR sensors. We're going to show you everything about this product, unpack it, install it over here by the bench and outside in an area. Everything that you get inside is an instruction guide to go over. You get all the hardware to hang up, the hanging brackets, and more. Everything is nicely packaged and laid out. You have the 2 lights covered up. A nice large solar panel, 2x4 with an adjustable side angles with LED lights and clip mount. Turning the lights on is by a switch, as you can see, and off. And now a demonstration as we hang up over here on the wall. We're going to show you how the light works inside and go outside and hang up. Level and hang, just like that. We're going to line up to the bracket, slide on and down. We're able to adjust the angle to collect the sun and adjust the sides and swivel in any angle. We're going to be bench testing the light in mode A of both lights and switching on. In the back of the unit is a weatherproof switch to mode A. We're going to place this one to the side. Both lights are on mode A. "15 to 20 seconds, they dim down to 30%. As we detect motion to the light nearest, both lights go on. We're going to switch over to mode A plus B. It gives a blink. After 15 to 20 seconds, the light will dim back down. As the light in the background is dimmed, so is the one nearest dimmed. As we wave our hand to the one nearest, they both light up. This is how the lights work. As we switch to B, and the lights are IP rated and hanging up on the wall and adjusting for the sun. We'll check out the lights in the evening hours on mode A plus B. And we'll come back and show you what they look like. We're demonstrating in A. The lights will stay lit 100% and dim down to 30 to 10%, and then back into motion when triggered again to 100% for 15 to 20 seconds. After 6 hours, they stay in a dim state and they will light up 100% when motion is detected again. So we're going to stay over here on the side and not move until the lights are off. Both lights are dimmed down to 30 to 10%. When motion detected, both lights will trigger on. They are linked. As we are giving motion, both lights will go on. You can have more than one light linked up, 1, 2, 3, 4, as much as you want. They are wireless. They detect motion in 120 degrees. They have dual PIR sensors, and they only have one light to go on, and this is the light. The light is 6,000 plus Kelvin, and they will run hours on end. Charge all day, run all night. As the light is lit off and we move around over here, you can see how easily they detect you. We'll reach up, switch it to mode B. Depending on the sections of light you have, the A's will stay lit and the B will not stay lit. They will stay in a dim state. As we are on B and we move, only the B stays lit, the A does not light up, and they run differently. There are many ways to hook up. So I hope you enjoy the lights, the synced lights, and how they work. Thank you for viewing.